Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo and I'm headed into Dollar Tree, so I'm inviting you to come with me. Let's go shopping. They've got a whole end cap of the spring fling items, all of the little oven mitts and the pot holders. I haven't seen the blue one before. Really cute little dish towels. Hello Spring. Celebrate everything and enjoy the simple pleasures. This is like the boxed sign that we saw at a different Dollar Tree last week. They also have these little napkins, really cute, folded up into little quarter circles. Those match all of the plates that they've got out. And then they've got the microfiber kitchen towels in the bright and in the blue floral. Spring banner, just says spring. It's got little felt cutouts and flowers. And they have this one with gold glitter with all the floral print. It says welcome spring on it. They have all kinds of the little Easter crafts, the little foam bunnies, the mesh tubing, the little egg picks. Lots of ribbon down here. Oh, do you guys see what I see? I have not been able to find these. There's one and there's another one right here. Little speckled eggs. Got all kinds of mesh. And lots more ribbon. The floral's really pretty. This store actually has the little egg Easter garden stakes. I think there's another print somewhere from last year if I remember correctly, but they've got these three right now. They've got some cute little bags for Easter that look like little baskets. This green one with the eggs. They've got it in blue, Happy Easter. And this one with the little girl bunny and the little chick. They've got the little tinsel baskets with a couple of eggs in them in blue and white and pink. They've got some cute little baskets. So these actually are different alternating sides. The chick and the bunny. This little chick and a bunny. Got it in Happy Easter. Oh, it's pink on that side. In garden, they've got these really cute little trinket pots. They've got a few different prints on them. That blue is almost gray and teal. Got the yellow and a couple of the prints in pink as well. They've got a whole row of little Easter goodies and basket stuffers. But what I was excited to see were the little fabric treat sacks. You get 4 and they're burlap. I have not found these in my store before. I might have to come home. They just put out these new little cardboard baskets. This one in Happy Easter. They come in all the staggered sizes. This one's the little egg print. And then this one could not be any cuter. Little bunny in the front, and it's got his sides and his tail is in the back. So cute. Okay, these are definitely new. They have them in sort of the basket stuffing section at this store, and they're yokai watches. Not quite sure if you guys are familiar, but above that they also have these. These are, it says full of treasures, mold glam. This is a Hasbro product. So they're also doing the whole basket stuffer aisle. They have a few different things. They have these little ducks that don't really feel like a rubber duck. They feel more like plastic. We've got nurses and police officers, and there's firemen down there. Wow, okay, so These are definitely not your run-of-the-mill Dollar Tree toy. That's pretty cool. You can assemble it. They have motorcycles, trucks, and airplanes. And they have these little princess shoes or Barbie accessories. Oh, these are fun. They actually have furry flip-flops. These are definitely kind of like a slipper. A few different prints. Looks like they come in large, medium, and small. They've got the neon. This one's really pretty. It's got gray and teal, the bright pink, the camo, the stripe, and in zebra print. Looks like they've gotten in a lot of fun toothbrushes for kids. They've got the little Shopkins with the cup, the toothbrush, and the cover. And then they've got it in Hot Wheels. And all of these that light up. Little panda and penguins. And the little brush buddies. Little race cars in green, yellow, and blue. Got two new tiny little tabletop standing signs. Be your own kind of beautiful. That one's gold. And follow your dreams. That one's teal with the little arrows. Right by the pens, they have these jumbo paper clips in gold with little pom-poms on them. Really cute. They brought out a ton of LA Colors makeup, all these little eyeshadows, a ton of the shiny lipsticks. And these I'm pretty sure are new. Little face contour and highlight stick. They brought back all of the conceal and correct items. I really like this one for under eye and the green for redness. They've got all the contour palettes. All kinds of lip gloss. This one in the clear and then a few different colors. And right next to that, they've got the eyeshadow pencils. These they're calling Mermaid. You get 2 colors on each one. There's a little sharpener there too. Purple and blue. And just below that, I think these might be new Pro Selection makeup remover wipes. Haven't seen this brand before. You get 30. In their health and beauty department, they have out some argan oil hair masks. This one's coconut, and they have it in argan oil. They've got all kinds of new Valero products. Looks like all the traditional things, the body wash, the hand soap. They've got the wipes and some body cream. This one is body oil. Let's see what this scent is. So coconut verbena. And you've got the same bath salts in that one there. They have watermelon and mint. That sounds really good. We've also got the bath bombs in that one. And the other scent is pineapple coconut lime. Got more of the coconut and verbena down here. Oh, and peonies and pear. They've also got the little bath fizzers and the squares in the new scents. We just smelled the watermelon mint and it smells amazing. Got some new bath bombs, coconut butter, strawberry banana, pink grapefruit, and lemon sugar. I don't know if you guys remember last year they had these little shades for your car out. Looks like they're back. At least here they just have the pink leopard, and they always have the size of them up in the corner. They have some new little pastry crisps. These are mixed berries, and these are little knockoffs. I forget the name of the original, but I know that they sell it in bulk at Costco. They're little breakfast biscuits, so they have it in cinnamon and in blueberry. Over in the kitchen department, they've got a new print on the dish towels. Take your time. Really, really cute in the dark green. They've also got it in the oven mitt. Over near my registers, they have some little keychains with little unicorn horns on them. A few different colors. They have a few new signs by the register. They have POW, and then BAM, and then BOOM, and then this one that is really pretty, and it's kind of like press board, so it's not just cardboard. And then these little guys. A couple new journals, Strong is the New Pretty, the white polka dots. And then Little But Fierce on the marble. So that's about it from here. They have the little LED pineapples. Thank you so much for coming with me, and I'll see you back very soon.